Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the JavaScript error on your Windows. So I'm going to share two different ways and methods. So you just need to follow the solution or method that will best work for you. So let's go quick into the process. First is we need to open the web browser. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now here in your Chrome browser, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and you'll find the settings, the one with the girl-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you need to scroll down and click on About Chrome. So we need to make sure that our web browser is up to date. So once you click on About Chrome, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. And then we also need to clear the cookies and cache of the browser because corrupted cookies can also be the cause. So click on Privacy and Security on the left pane. You'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. You have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. Now you have to go to the advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history, check. Download history, check. Cookies and other site data, check. Cached images and files, check. Site settings and the hosted app data, also check that. But do not check the password and the autofill form data because that will just clear your saved passwords. Finally, click on delete data. And we also need to disable some faulty extensions. So still in the options on the left pane, you have to select extensions. Now in my case, I have just removed all my extensions. So in your case, you can simply disable the extension that is faulty and unnecessary. Or you can completely remove that, especially if you're not using that extension. And then go back to the settings window, click on privacy and security. Click on security, scroll down, and under advanced, you'll find manage VA security, turn on additional protection in Chrome's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine. Then you'll find sites can use the V8 optimizer. Make sure to click this box or to choose this option. Then close out of here. We also need to turn off the firewall because this can block the JavaScript. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type security. You'll find Windows security under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Then you have to click on virus and threat protection. You'll find virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. Turn off real-time protection. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on the domain network. Turn off Microsoft Defender firewall. Then for the last method is we need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update and click this button to check for updates and download the latest updates for your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.